Hello. In this video we are going to take a look at how to install Node.js and NPM on Mac OS, but we're not going to install it by using the installation wizard that comes from the Node.js website, but instead we're going to use NVM, which is the Node version manager, and and I will tell you why it is better for installing Node.js this way, because then you can switch to different versions of Node.js, and sometimes you have these situations where a project is built using an older version of Node, and when you end up installing one version of Node.js, then you can run into problems, and using different versions for different projects becomes a pain to manage. So that's where NVM comes in. So let's see how we can go about doing that. So we're going to use brew to install NVM. Okay, so first I think we need to install brew. So do bin bash. So this should install brew. And it's going to ask us for our password, which we can enter. Okay, so now that that's installed, we could now use this to install NVM. It should work now, hopefully. Alright, so now we have NVM installed, so let's see if we can use it. Okay, so we need to add this to our path, so I'm going to open up my ZSHRC file, and I'm going to go to the end to add source, and then this, say brew prefix NVM, and then say NVM /NVM.sh, and then we can just save this. And now let's source our ZSHRC file. Okay, so I think we need to do it. We need to source that. And once that's done, let's see if we have NVM now. Yeah, you can see. Okay, so now we can do NVM install node. So now you can see that we have this Node version 22 installed. So if you do node-v, it's going to give us that version, and if you do nvm and do ls, it should give us the versions that we have installed. Yeah, and it also gives you a list of other versions that we can install, and the ones that are showing up in green, those are the ones that we have available. So let's say if we wanted to install an older version, so we could just simply do nvm install, and we can provide a version. Let's say I'm going to install this LTS Carbon 8.17.0. Okay, so now if we do node-v, we're getting the older version of the node. So if you had a project that was built using this version and you want to make a change in that project, then you can switch the node version. Now if you wanted to go back to this 22.9.0, you could just simply do nvm use, and then you can just specify the version. It will just switch back to the version that you want to use. So now if we do node-v, it's going to be using the latest version. So so I guess this is it about using NVM to install different versions of Node for your different projects. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.